Meet the SME struggling to keep pace. Manual tasks, cluttered inboxes, endless spreadsheets. Sound familiar? Your team wastes hours on repetitive work, missing out on strategic thinking and growth opportunities. That's where we come in. Vibeys AI seamlessly integrates with the Microsoft tools you already trust, from Word and Excel to Teams, SharePoint, and Dynamics 365. In Word, we transform rough drafts into polished proposals. In Excel, we turn raw data into actionable insights. No more guesswork. Outlook, we manage your inbox so you respond faster to what matters most. PowerPoint presentations become compelling stories with AI-driven layouts. Teams collaboration is streamlined with instant file suggestions. SharePoint content is organized effortlessly. And Dynamics 365 insights power data-driven decisions. Imagine reclaiming your team's time. Focus on innovation, strategy, and growth, while Vibeys automates the busy work. Elevate customer engagement, predict market trends, and scale seamlessly. The result? A smarter, faster go-to-market strategy. Don't just buy software, invest in simpler workflows, sharper insights, and global reach. Choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. With our early bird discount, now's the perfect time to step into a more productive future. Ready to transform your business? Get Vibeys today and unlock the potential hiding in your everyday tools. Subscribe now.